Think of having a single smart application that combines movies, TV series, sports, kids programs, anime, and news in one convenient place, all presented with a simple layout and smooth user experience. In this video, I will guide you on how to access certain entertainment hubs on your device in a safe and proper way. Before moving forward, keep in mind that this video is shared only for educational purposes. The focus here is on correct installation procedures, device configuration, and responsible use so you can learn how third-party applications operate on smart devices. To get this application, we will use a well-known utility that is officially available on both the Play Store and the Amazon App Store called Downloader. This tool allows you to retrieve files on supported devices in a simple and organized manner. Subscribe to Electronic Secret, tap the bell icon and leave a like on the video if you enjoy helpful tech guides. First, install the Downloader app and finish the basic setup process. Open the settings menu, navigate to install unknown apps, locate Downloader in the list and switch it on if the option is currently disabled. After that, launch Downloader and type the provided code into the search field. The app will connect and start downloading the file for you. Choose Install. Continue following the instructions shown on the screen. Once the installation is finished, return back and remove the downloaded file so it doesn't take up unnecessary storage space. And that's all there is to it. You can now explore the app's options and adjust the settings based on your preferences. If you enjoy content about smart apps, hidden features, and useful tech tips, leave a comment below and tell me what topic you would like to see next. This is Electronic Secret, bringing you simple, secure, and practical tech tutorials. See you in the next video.